Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to reopen Instagram photos once already viewed. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Replaying disappearing photos in Instagram is possible under certain conditions depending on how the photo was sent and the sender settings. Here's how you can manage this. Open the Instagram app on your iPhone, Android, or you can also open Instagram Lite. Navigate to your direct messages by tapping the message icon in the top right corner. Open the conversation where you received a disappearing photo. If the sender allowed replays, you'll see an option to replay immediately after viewing the photo. Tap it to view the photo one more time. Please note that you can only replay the photo once, and the sender will be notified that you've replayed it. There are some things to consider. If the sender set the photo to view once, you won't have the option to replay it. And taking a screenshot of a disappearing photo will notify the sender. But you can screenshot it once the replay button has been used or the photo has expired. You cannot view it again unless the sender resends it. And that's it. So that's basically how you can reopen Instagram photos once already viewed. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.